Hello guys, welcome to JD Bots. In one of my videos, I have got a comment that I should make a video on API testing bot. So here we are with the first video of the series, that is API tester bot. Let's get started. This bot will take API as input and give you the response of the status of the API, whether it is passed or failed. Currently, this is the first video where I have just used open get APIs. So in this APIs we don't have any authorization, we just have to provide the URL and it will give the response. Currently I am using Open Trivia APIs. So this is the first API I will be using. This just gets me the response, that's it, without any credentials or authorization. Along with that, I am using API category, API count global. Basically, this Trivia DB APIs will get you the quiz questions and answers in different categories. And the next API I'll be using is COVID-19 data. So this gets me the time series data starting from 30th January to today's date, along with the state-wise data. Fine, but we are not interested in data, we are just interested if the status of the API is success or failed. So coming to the main dialog, this is a waterfall dialog method where this is my 3 steps. The first step is I'm asking the user, how do you like to test the APIs? So I'm giving the option as existing APIs from the list or give APIs. So this we'll see in the next set of videos. Currently we'll focus on existing APIs from the list. So I'm presenting this option in an adaptive card. So based on the user selection, I'm storing it in operation, and if it is existing APIs from the list, then I'm beginning this dialog, that is existing API dialog. Coming to existing API dialog, here we have 4 steps inside waterfall dialog model. The first step I am asking, please select the request type. I have provided 5 options: get, post, patch, put, delete. Currently I have made for the get request only. The other request we'll see later. Again I am using adaptive card to show my options, and based on the user selection, if it is get, I am initializing 2 variables for the pass count and fail count. Now let us see where I have stored those APIs. I have stored them in the API tester details in a list. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 APIs total. The 3 are from the OpenTB and the 4th one is a COVID-19. and I'm iterating through each API in a loop. I'm just giving a response that I have started testing this API, and which API I'll be getting from the list. After that, I'll do the test, and if it is passed, it will return true or false in string format. Let us go where exactly it is testing. This is the where we'll get the response. Then I am checking the success status score. The response will be either true or false, and I am returning in string as a string. Suppose if any error is there, then it will return false, otherwise it will return whatever is coming from the response. It can be true or false, and here we have got the response. Then I am replying to the user the status. Then I am checking if the status is true, then increase the pass count, otherwise increase the fail count. Then at the end, I am consolidating all the count, the total number of APIs in a list along with the pass count and the fail count. The next step, I am asking, would you like to change the request type? If the user say yes, then this dialog will start from the beginning. If he says no, then it will end the dialog and it will move to the main dialog. And main dialog, it will return null, and at the end it will again start from the beginning, this main dialog. Fine. So let us start. Let's start the demo. So this is my welcome message. Welcome to API Tester Bot. You can go to my website where I'll be putting this in a step-by-step manner. How would you like to test the APIs? Currently, the first option is enabled as of now. This you will see in the next set of videos. Then I have selected existing APIs. Then I'll have to select the request type. Currently I have done for the GET only. Then for the first API, status is true. Similarly, second API true, third API true, and fourth API true. So the total count is 4, pass is 4, fail is 0. Suppose if I click on yes, like I would like to change the request type, then it will again start the dialog from the beginning, the current dialog. So I'll change this one, and if I say no, then it will move to the main dialog. Then I can start from the beginning. Let's say I'm making changes in the API so that it gets failed. Suppose instead of OpenDB, I'll just remove B. Fine. I know it will fail. Let's see what's the status. I'll start the conversation. Then existing APIs, get. As you can see, the first one got passed, second one got passed, the third one got failed. The status is false because there is no B in DB. And the fourth one got passed, and the total is 4, pass 3, fail 1. Fine. You can pick your own set of APIs and test accordingly. In the next one we'll try the give APIs, so that I'll be asking users to provide the APIs and I'll test in real time. Okay, thank you all.